Ay, grabe. Nakaka-inlove talaga dito sa Macau. Grabe, ang tindi na kanilang casino. The Grand Lisboa Hotel and Casino in Macau. Ang tindi. Uh. Grabe, grabe talaga. Oh, ganda-ganda talaga. Ayun oh, ganda-ganda talaga. Power Macau, Grand Lisboa. Hi everyone, we're listening here. I'm here at inside the Lisboa Hotel and Casino. As you can see, the Grand Lisboa Palace. Yan. In Macau. So I'm here at the Lisboa Hotel and Casino. As you can see, the very nice chandelier on the place. What's lahat? And this one are made of gold. Very nice. Cool. So this is the Grand Lisboa Hotel. Hello. Grand Lisboa Hotel in Macau. Very nice, my gosh. Grand Lisboa, Macau. Hey, my friend, where is the restaurant here?
Restaurant.
Yeah, restaurant here with the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Coffee shop and
Where?
So it's over there. The left front there have the escalator. Go up the upper second floor. U2F. Yeah.
Thank you. Namimiss ko na ang Wi-Fi. As you can see, the ground lobby of Hotel Lisboa, Macau. Hi everyone, I'm still here in Grand Lisboa, Macau. Grabe, ang ganda ng casino nila. Woo! Nakakabaliw sa Macau. Ang tindi oh. Yes, dyan kami nag-snack. Ang ganda ng Macau, promise. Power dito. Grabe. Kahit pangatlong balik na ako dito, hindi ako magsasawa. Dahil napakaganda talaga sa Macau. Ay, grabe! Ang ganda talaga dito sa Grand Lisboa ng Macau. Ayoko nang bumalik ng Singapore. Ang ganda talaga dito. Grabe. Oh my gosh. Para akong nasa Las Vegas. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ayoko nang umuwi ng Singapore. Dito na lang ako. Grabe dito. Ang ganda. Oh. Sobrang ganda. Power. Ayun sila, oh. Hello, Singapore. Now in Macau. Hi everyone, I'm still here in Macau, Grand Lisboa Casino and Restaurant. It's a very nice Macau, grabe. Ay, nakakabaliw sa Macau. Ayoko nung uwi ng Singapore. Grabe, oh. Power talaga. Ayoko nang umuwi ng Singapore. Ayun. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Of the Grand Lisboa Hotel in Macau. Woo. Very nice Macau. I love this place so much.